Everyone, welcome on board to Cat King. This is Anisha here, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the summer placement reports of NITI, which is one of the best colleges when you talk about operations management. It is based in Mumbai, based on your CAT scores. So this batch, the 2022 batch of NITI campus, has done amazing summer placements. If you look at this, is the official summer placement report. So you can see a total of 123 companies had participated in the summer internship process this year. The highest stipend has been 3.2 lakhs, which is amazing. 3.2 lakhs for 2 months out of the batch strength of 474 students. 32 first-time recruiters, 3.2 lakhs is the highest stipend. Average stipend is 1.53 lakhs. If we talk about the top 10% of the batch, it is at 2.96 lakhs. Top 20% at 2.87 lakhs, which is amazing, right? So that's like a really good stats which is there. If we look at with respect to the median stipend, it's 1.5 lakhs. You had companies coming from all the sectors like banking and finance. You had ICICI, Yes Bank, First Bank, consulting. May you have Bain & Co, Deloitte, McKinsey Digital, all of those coming. FMCGs, you have Bira 91, Britannia, Dabur, Delmont, Diageo, McCain, Mars, Modern Foods, Nestle, all of them different, like all the sectors of FMCG are covered. We had IT technology with Accenture, Digital, Cisco, Google, all coming on campus. Pharma and healthcare, which is an upcoming space this year. You had Abbott and Cipla and GSK Healthcare, all of them with retail and e-commerce. Amazon, in fact, Amazon has always been one of the highest payers of this campus. Like they give final packages, they give around 40 to 44 lakhs package to start off with. So you have such amazing companies which come on board. And if you look at the entire batch profile to get a fair idea, 25% of the batch was freshers, 13% 0 to 1 year experience, 24% 1 to 2 years experience, 23% 2 to 3 years experience, and 15% had more than 3 years of experience. Okay, people come from all the background of engineering, but majority is mechanical. This is one college which is only for engineers, so non-engineers, it's not your space. But yeah, mechanical has been dominating, followed by the other streams, engineering as well. If you see the summer internship domain wise, maximum people are into manufacturing, then is my FMCG, followed by e-commerce and retail, other companies. Then you have your consulting and pharma based companies, IT analytics, and last we have BFSI with 5% of the companies which are coming on campus. A quick summary of the highlights is 26% of the companies were first time recruiters, 38% of the offers are greater than or equal to 2 lakhs, 19% of the offers are greater than 3 lakhs, 20% increase in the average stipend offered by retail and e-commerce space, which is where your Amazon, the highest recruiter, falls in. 80% increase in the number of offers made in the IT and analytics space, which is an upcoming space. And 65% of the batch received a 6-digit stipend for the entire duration of the summer internship, which is like a really amazing place and amazing stats. So engineers on the house, people who wish to get into supply chain management operations, this is a college you guys got to check out and definitely apply in. The applications are open, so do not miss out your deadline for sure. Alright, stay tuned to the channel and make sure you guys do not miss any update with respect to any college exams, and do hit the like button. Bye bye, take care.